Dental implants have transformed dentistry in giving a permanent fix for missing teeth. They are typically utilized to replace one missing tooth. There are many who wonder whether they can substitute several missing teeth. In this clip, we'll look at the pros and cons that dental implants can bring to several missing teeth. Advantages of dental implants for multiple missing teeth. 1. Stability. Dental implants are renowned for their strength and durability. When multiple implants are employed to substitute missing teeth, they offer a sturdy basis for a dental bridge or dentures. This allows for the patient to chew comfortably and speak with no worry of the prosthetic being moved or shifting. 2. Dental implants are made to appear and feel similar to natural teeth. When there are multiple implants and customized in order to complement the form, size, and color of surrounding teeth, it results in a flawless and natural-looking smile that increases confidence and self-confidence. 3. Bone preservation. If teeth become missing, jawbones could be weakened due to a lack of stimulation. Implants mimic the functionality of tooth roots that naturally exist in stimulating the jawbone, helping to preserve bone mass and prevents further loss of bone. This is crucial when replacing a number of missing teeth to ensure the strength and stability that the jawbone has. 4. The longevity of dental implants is built to last for the rest of their lives, provided they are maintained and treated properly. Even though traditional dental bridges or dentures could have to be replaced each 5 to 10 years, dental implant can be used as a permanent fix for missing teeth. It eliminates the need for regular replacements and also reduces the cost over time associated with dental prosthetics. Disadvantages of dental implants for multiple missing teeth. 1. Cost. The first expense of dental implants may be greater than conventional dental bridges and dentures. If multiple implants are needed for replacement of several missing teeth, the total expense can be quite high. It is nevertheless essential to take into consideration the long-term advantages of dental implants, the sense of longevity and durability. 2. The surgical procedure for dental implants requires surgical procedures for the placement of implants in the jawbone. Though this procedure is non-invasive and safe, there are some who feel discomfort or swelling as they go through the process of healing. Furthermore, those with specific health ailments or oral problems are not suitable for the procedure. 3. A lengthy and time-consuming procedure. The whole procedure for obtaining dental implants for missing teeth may take several months before it is completed. It includes the initial consultation, the implant procedure, healing followed by the affixing to dentures. The results can be worth waiting for. Some patients would prefer a speedier procedure to replace missing teeth. In the end, dental implants could be an effective solution to replace missing teeth due to their strength, beauty, bones preservation, aesthetics, as well as their long-term viability. There are a few disadvantages to take into consideration, like costs, surgical procedures, as well as the time required to complete. Advantages of dental implants typically exceed the negatives. It is essential to speak to an experienced dentist for advice on whether dental implants are the ideal choice for your needs. Be aware that a well-maintained and healthy smile is priceless, and dental implants may improve your confidence and improve the quality of your life.